In this quick video, we will see how indefinite spaced characters can be found and replaced in Notepad++. So in this case, a regular string could not be found because the two characters are not symmetrically different in all the rows. So we have to use some regular expression. So in this one, we are trying to find if there is a continuation of spaces and followed by the special pipe character. If you notice, most of them are found except the one in line 4 where there is no space. So we have to find some OR combination. So the regex is given there. And yeah, once you find the regex and you are satisfied with the results, you can give any replacement value you found there and do a replacement selectively or replace all. That's it.